Okay, we've got a few box breaks to do today. First up, Topps Chrome 2014. Went from a one box break to a two box break. In on this, we've got Chris, who is taking Cardinals and Redskins. He's paid for 2 slots. Ross is taking Dolphins. Joe has Texans. Graham's got Packers. Nick has got Cowboys. Aaron has got Jets, and I've got Raiders. So 7 of us breaking, but there's 8 slots because Chris has got 2 teams. So I've got the 7 names here. We're going to determine an order. Everyone's going to basically get 6 packs each, but you get everything of your own team. So you'll end up with a few extras of various other teams. These are all the names. Chris's has got to go in twice, so I could do the second one for him. I'll pop him back in again. I'm sure he won't mind. So when Chris comes out, he goes back in again to determine where his second sequence in the packs will be. So I'm going to shuffle these up. First one who's going to come out is Chris. Okay, so Chris is at the top of the pile. But I'm going to put him back in as well because he's got 2 slots, so he has to come out again. So Chris is first. Probably makes it easier for me. Next out is Joe. So Joe's number 2 in the sequence. Number 3 in the sequence is Nick. Number 4 in the sequence is Aaron. Number 5 in the sequence is me. Number 6 in the sequence is Graham. Number 7 in the sequence is Ross, which leaves Chris, you're at the first pack and the last pack. So I'm just going to sort these out so we don't get in a pickle. Right. Okay, so we've got 2 chromes. I'll start with breaking into this one. 24 packs box, I think. Okay. So here we go. First pack out, starting with Chris. So here we go. And we start off with a rookie card of Terrence West. A rookie card of Sammy Watkins. We have, well, this is a parallel of Julian Edelman, the Patriots, kind of like a monochrome black and white type. And this one is serial numbered 98 of 99 down in the corner. Okay, and the 4th card in the pack is a Matt Stafford. So that's pack number 1 for Chris. Back to the box, I'm taking a pack out for Joe now. I'll just open all these out and then I'll separate the teams out at the end, just makes it easier. And then if any of you want to trade anything before they get posted out, you can do that too. So Joe, first card for you is Robert Herron. Rookie card. Okay. Second card out is a mini of Martavis Bryant of the Steelers. It's one of their mini chrome ones, not numbered or anything. Then you have a Randall Cobb, which are obviously all swapped to Graham, and a Wes Welker of the Broncos. Okay, back to the box. Nick. First pack for Nick, who will end up with all the Cowboys. Now Nick starts out with a rookie of Jace Amaro, a rookie of Teddy Bridgewater, and then you've got Nick Foles and JJ Watt. Obviously a lot of these will be moving round with all of us in with our teams. And I'll sort that at the end. Go back to the box again. 4th pack out is Aaron. So that you get Aaron. Starts off with Odell Beckham Jr. rookie card. Popular at the moment. You've got a mini chrome as well of Jarvis Landry of the Dolphins, which will end up going to Ross, the Dolphins collector. Not numbered, but it's sort of gold bordered, maybe slightly different to the Bryant one we had just now. There's RG3 and Kiko Alonso. Okay, so that's Aaron. Back to the box, packed for myself. Now I've got Raiders. First one for me is a Brandon Coleman rookie card. Then a Dry Archer rookie card. Next up is a Russell Wilson. It's a refractor. Don't think it's serial numbered, so just like a kind of standard refractor. Okay, and finish off with Ace Sanders. Okay, pack one for me. Back to the box, Graham's first pack. Graham's taking all the packers. Graham starts off with a Michael Sam rookie. We've got an autograph card of Austin Seferian Jenkins of the Bucks. Okay, so as none of us take Bucks, Graham will get to keep that one as it's come out of one of his packs. We've got Sheldon Richardson and we've got Frank Gore. Okay, back to the box, and Ross, first pack for Ross. And we start off with a Darqueze Dennard rookie, a Marion Grice rookie, then a refractor again of Peyton Manning. Okay, so it's not a bad one. Again, not numbered like the Wilson, so sort of base refractor, but very nice, and a Zach Ertz. Okay, first one for Ross. So, back to Chris, but this is Chris's second slot pack, and then it's Chris again for his first slot pack. So, here we go, Chris, this is your second bunch, and you start off with a rookie of Jason Verrett, another rookie of Charles Sims, there is a refractor of Wes Welker, again not numbered, and there is a Monte Ball. Okay, so that's the end of the first round, and we go back to the sequence at the start, and it's Chris again for second round. So, in this pack, Devontae Adams, AJ McCarron, another refractor, this time it's Kendall Wright, the Titans, again not numbered, and then there is a Michael Crabtree. So that's Chris. Now it's back to Joe. Second pack for Joe. And start off Joe, Logan Thomas, rookie card. Cody Latimer, rookie card. You have a Troy Polamalu, refractor. Again, don't see any numbering, but it's got a green border, so obviously they might not number these, but they've obviously got different levels of refractor. And last one is a Calvin Johnson, which again could be a parallel of some sort. It looks more silvery than the others. Okay, so that's Joe. Moving on to Nick. Back to the box. Got one out. Going left to right. Okay. We have got a Bishop Sankey rookie. Then there is a one of the old-fashioned style AJ McCarron. sort of length long cards. There's a Vontaze Burfict and Anquan Boldon. Okay, then it's back to the box for Aaron. And Pierre Desir, rookie card. Ahmad Dixon, which I'm not going to nick. Then there is a refractor, a kind of prism one, Colin Kaepernick. Got a prismy again. They're not numbered, any of these. So, and then Kendall Wright, the Titans. Okay. Now, myself. Next in line. I don't know you've had a Raider yet. Cyrus Kouanadigio. Great name. Rookie card. Jeff Janis. Rookie card. Then another refractor, this time EJ Manuel. And finish off with an Ndamukong Suh. Okay, back to the box, and Graham. Start off with Zach Martin. Then a Cody Hoffman, rookie. Then we have a blue border, again sort of prism refractor, of Ryan Grant, Redskins. And then we finish off with Eric Berry with the Chiefs. Okay. Back to the box. Ross. More from one side than the other. Will Sutton. Rookie card. First one, Ross. And the next one is a Sammy Watkins. An old style Topps card. 85 Topps. Jordan Cameron and Jay Cutler. Okay, now Chris. Chris is last in the second round, and then Chris starts it in the third round. Okay, Chris, we start with a Jordan Matthews. Okay, rookie. Then we have a Fantasy Focus insert of Andrew Luck. Quite nice. Then it's a Muhammad Wilkerson and a Peyton Manning. Okay, so that's the end of the second go round. Back to the start again, which is Chris again. Complicated remembering this for someone having two. Right, so here we go, Chris. This is the start of our third go round. And we start off with Taj Boyd, rookie. Aaron Murray, rookie. You get a refractor of Adrian Peterson. And the last card is a base of Adrian Peterson. Back to back Peterson cards. Okay, so that's Chris's first go round. Joe. A pack for Joe. And Joe gets, Devian Clowney. Joe's taking Texans anyway. Rookie. We'll also get a Kadeem Carey, die cut rookie refractor. Okay, again, don't see any numbering. It's Joe's. Then you finish with Julio Jones, Andy Dalton. Okay, back to the box. One for Nick. Nick starts with a Tyler Gaffney, rookie. Then there is a Aaron Rodgers Fantasy Focus insert, which your mate Graham's going to nick off you. Then you finish with a Le'Veon Bell. And first Raider, a Justin Tuck. Okay, back to the box. One for Aaron. Starts with Damian Williams, Xavier Grimble. Then there's a refractor of Mohammed Wilkerson and a Patrick Willis. Okay, then it's back to me, one out the box. We'll start with a Jerick McKinnon, the Vikes. Stephen Tuitt. A refractor of Zach Ertz of the Eagles. And Alfred Morris of the Redskins. Okay, back to the box. Graham. Graham gets Packer on the top. Your mate Jared, rookie wide receiver. There's Andre Williams, rookie retro one. Then there's a base Russell Wilson and a base of EJ Manuel. Okay, 2 packs to go in this round for this box. This is Ross. Ryan Shazier is the first card out, rookie. Then there's an Aaron Murray of the Chiefs, retro insert. There's a Denarius Moore of the Raiders, and Reggie Wayne. Okay, and final pack in this box, which is Chris. Top card on this one, Chris. It's a Derek Carr, rookie. No, pinched by me. There's a Devontae Adams, rookie retro. I'm going to get pinched by Graham. We've got Percy Harvin and Terrell Suggs. Okay, so that's Chris's last 2. That's the first box done. We'll get into the second one. This break is going to go over the 20-minute Facebook, so it'll be on YouTube for this one. I won't stop, I'll just carry on. Okay. So, starting off again, back to Chris. Pack out the top of the box. And Chris starts off with a Devonta Freeman, rookie. We get a Carlos Hyde, rookie. And then there's a Justin Tuck, sort of pink border refractor. Oh, this one's numbered. It's numbered out of 399. Not too low, but okay. And then finish off with a Tavon Austin. Okay, back to the box. Joe's next up. Back to Joe. And we start with Xavier Grimble for Joe. Then a Bruce Ellington, one of the mini ones. Then we have a Navarro Bowman and a Darrelle Revis. Okay, Nick's up next. Nick starts with a Terrence West. Sammy Watkins. Then we have a Mike Evans, rookie refractor, the Bucks. They're not numbered. Okay, and finish off Nick with Cam Newton. Aaron's turn. One out for Aaron. And starts off with rookie Ryan Shazier. And then Robert Heron. Then we have a refractor of Jeff Matthews, rookie refractor, and finish off with Jordan Reed of the Redskins. Okay, next up is myself. One out box for myself. Starts off with Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. Graham's mate Jared again, we've had him already, rookie card. And I have a Drew Brees blue border refractor. which is numbered out of 199. Okay. And then a Demarius Thomas. On to Graham. Pack out to Graham. Graham got the hit out the first box. Starts off Darqueze Dennard, rookie. A Marion Grice, rookie. Then we have a blue bordered refractor prism parallel of Mario Williams. Okay. And finish off with Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie. Right. On to Ross. Pack out to Ross. And we start with Will Sutton. Bears. Ross gets a mini of Johnny Manziel. Nice one. DeAndre Hopkins. And Torrey Smith. Okay, then we've got Chris's last of the first round. And then Chris kicks off the next round. So, this is one of your slots, Chris. It's rookie of Austin Seferian Jenkins. Then one of Taylor Lewan. Then there is a rookie refractor of Yolwyn Smallwood. Okay, not numbered on the back. And then a Pierre Garçon. Okay, so that ends the first round. Chris again. Chris starts off the next round with 2 slots. And Brandon Coleman. First out. Dry Archer. And Khalil Mack, Raiders. A sort of green border refractor, no numbering. That's a nice one. I'm not nicking from you. I think you've had 2 nice Raider ones. And Reggie Bush. Okay. On to Joe. Pack for Joe. And first one out is Marcus Roberson, rookie. Then a George Atkinson, Raider. Henry Josie, refractor, rookie. And a Marshawn Lynch. Okay, on to Nick. Pack out the box for Nick. Looking for more Cowboys. Scott Crichton. First one out, Nick. Oh, Nick's got the auto in this box. Well, not for long. He's got Damian Williams of the Dolphins. So Ross is the one who actually gets lucky there. On that. Damian Williams. Not numbered or anything. Tamba Hali. And Joe Flacco. On to Aaron. Pack for Aaron. And Josh Huff, rookie card. The Calvin Pryor rookie card. A Terrell Suggs Refractor X-Fractor, whatever one it is. Not serial numbered. And then LaShawn McCoy. Okay, me up next. Another one at the box. And starts off with Trent Murphy, rookie card. Then I've got one of the retro rookies, Charles Sims of the Bucks. And then finish up with Earl Thomas, Seahawks, and Antonio Brown, the Steelers. Right, on to Graham. Pack out for Graham. Well, Graham has a Michael Sam. You had it in the other box. Michael Sam rookie. Then there's a die cut of Jace Amaro, which will end up moving over to Aaron. not numbered. Then there's a T.Y. Hilton and a Cordarrelle Patterson. Okay, on to Ross. And it's a Pierre Desir. We had him before. Rookie card Ross. And there's another Andrew Luck Fantasy Focus. We had that one too. There is a Sean Lee. And there is a Brandon Marshall. Okay, Chris, your end of round pack. Stephen Morris, rookie. Fantasy Focus DeMarco Murray. Andrew Luck. And AJ Green. I think some of the vet base cards in these have variations as well as the rookies, so you never quite know what you've got until they come out in Beckett and you can see which versions there are. Okay, back to Chris starting again in a fresh round. Hope I haven't got lost with this. Bishop Sankey, rookie card. A Cyrus Kouandjio, who I think we had before. Rookie. There's a rookie refractor of Paul Richardson, the Seahawks. And last card is Keenan Allen, the Chargers. Okay, on to Joe. Joe, you have Karoon Reed, the Lions. There is a Trey Mason of the Rams. Silas Red is a rookie refractor. And Jamal Charles, the Chiefs. Okay, on to Nick. Starts off with Tom Savage, rookie. Devin Street, one of your own team there, Nick, rookie. There's Arthur Lynch, rookie refractor, which is a Dolphin, which will be moving over. And then an Eddie Lacy, which your mate's going to pinch off you again. Okay, Nick. Aaron's up next, looking for more Jets. Aaron starts with Ahmad Dixon with the Cowboys. Jordan Matthews, Eagles rookie. And there's a Kyle Van Noy refractor rookie, Lions. And finish up with Alshon Jeffrey of the Bears. Okay, last pack for myself. And on the top's a Jimmy Garoppolo. I never learnt. Graham told me these the other week. Still can't remember it. Of the Patriots. Devontae Adams of the Packers. Josh Gordon. And Robert Quinn. Okay. Last pack for Graham. Graham has a Kadeem Carey rookie. Brandon Cooks, retro rookie. There's Ryan Tannehill. And Julian Edelman. Okay. 2 packs to go. One for Ross, one for Chris. Things have stayed in sequence, luckily. Okay, Ross. Jeff Janis. Packer. Mike Evans of the Bucks. And there's a Vincent Jackson of the Bucks. And a Jason Pierre-Paul, Giants. Okay, so final pack in the box. Chris. Complete 2 boxes of Chrome. And starts off with Taj Boyd. Okay, then there's a retro of Dry Archer. Then there's a Richard Sherman. And last card is Jimmy Graham. Okay, so that's our 2 boxes of Chrome done. I'll switch over all the team cards, and if any of you need to know exactly what else you've got left, let me know. And if any of you want to trade any of the additional teams or players, anything like that, we can always do that before I send them out. But when you're all done, let me know, and I'll get them all out in the post to you. So that's the end of the Chrome break. This one will be up on YouTube because it's taken longer than what, well, thought it would probably take this long anyway. So that's the end of that one. We'll see you on the next one.